Hey guys, just at Home Bargain in Lee, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there, guys. Well, here we are. We've got a full set of pegs to go through in Home Bargains, which is absolutely fantastic. The price as well of these are £1.49. Very good price, Home Bargains. You can count on them and Aldi always to give that really good price for Hot Wheels. Well, let's get started, guys. We've got a HW 450 motorbike. We've got, ooh, a very nice Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30 in that strange green colour. Really do like this one. I think it's great that it's got the reg plate and the lights on the back there. Very cool casting. Do have this one a few times. I think I like the purple one a little bit more than the green. Oh, this is the new Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. That's a really cool old school sort of racing livery. It does say Carrera GTS on the back there as well. Oh, I really do like this casting. Yeah, really cool find. I'll definitely be taking this. Don't have that, not seen it before. Let's keep going. Ah, here's a good one, guys. It's the Mazda RX-3 tuned. You can see it's a little bit squished up. Something I didn't show you last time, guys, is that it actually has a really detailed license plate on the front there. These tuned cars are just getting better and better, in my opinion. We've got the Mad Mike logo at the top left here and his signature there, because he's a custom car designer who made a RX-3 in this style. I'm loving the tuned stuff at the moment, guys. Really cool. Put that to one side. Let's keep going. Oh, nice! A Honda Civic Si. Absolutely love this one. Really detailed. Love the fact that they've got the red interior in there as well as the gold wheels. And they've got a carbon hood on this as well. It's got the Honda badge there on the front. Absolutely love Japanese imports, and I do have a good collection of Honda, so yeah, I'll be grabbing this one. A Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 from Factory Fresh. Very nice in red. This has come out in a load of different colours though, guys. I do have the white version, the black version, the yellow version. I think there could even be more than that I'm forgetting. But yeah, this one's really nice. I am missing that it doesn't say the 75 years of Porsche anymore on the cards like last year. Those ones are very collectible, guys. So yeah, if you've got any from last year, keep hold of them. Very nice. I do have this already, so I'll pop it back and let's keep going. Another twin mill. Oh, the 64 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. Now, I've seen a lot of people going after this one. It is an American favourite, I think, because we don't really see Chevys over in the UK. But yeah, very nice muscle car, this. Blown out engine coming out of the hood. Go faster stripes. Does it have Chevrolet written on the front here? Oh, that kind of breaks it for me. Come on, Hot Wheels. You got to make it match with the card. But yeah, really cool one. Let's keep going. We've got Auto, Custom Auto, 2 Custom Autos. Oh, a Jaguar Mark 1. Now, this one's a great one from Grant Williams Racing. Very nice. The buy one on the front there. Very cool. I've got this a few times, so pop that here. Ooh, a BMW M3 wagon. Very nice. Absolutely love this. I know a lot of people are looking for these things, so I might grab this and see if I can get some trades going for something like this. But really good detail on this BMW. Love that it's got all the sponsors. It's also got the M-Power logo on the side there, which is really good. And did you know, guys, that this one actually has a different coloured exhaust muffler that matches with the wheels? That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll grab that. Pop it to one side and let's keep going. Ooh, nice. It's the Mazda MX-5 Miata in that beautiful orange colorway. Do love this one. Nice little badge on the front. No detail on the back, unfortunately. Those exhausts are just part of the bodywork, but still, really good looking one, this. Just pop it to one side. Let's keep going. We've got a Plymouth Barracuda and another F-150 Lightning. Oh, nice. It's the Audi 90 Quattro. But it's not the Super, unfortunately. You would see a gold stamp on the back there if it was the Super. And you'd also see the Spectraflame paint. Rubber tyres as well, guys. But still, this is a great little casting. It was new for 2023. And it does have 24 on there now. I think that might be because we are in 2024 right now. From the Hot Wheels Turbo set. Love that front end. I think it's got some really good details, and that big wide body on this thing, just beautiful, man. Yeah, I'll grab that. Let's keep going. Oh, it's the Volvo P1800 Gasser, which is a super treasure hunt, but this one is not. Again, you can see no stamp on the card there. This actually started off as a Hot Wheels Legends car about a year ago now, and it was made by a guy from the UK who won the massive competition of customizing a car and getting it turned into a Hot Wheels car. I've actually been in this car and met the guy as well. This one's kind of more like a matte finish on the paintwork, and it has orange windows, lickety split on the side there. It's a really cool gasser, but I'd love to see it in that Spectraflame paint. I think that would look fantastic on this thing. Yeah, from the reverse rate set. Let's pop it back up here. Let's keep going. We've got a Corvette C6 with those yellow wheels. Very cool. Got a Hero Hattermerc, which I found out last time is actually a real hot rod custom car that was built from the 1950s. One of the most famous ones, it says as well online. Yeah, very cool. White wall tyres, as you'll know from those 50s cars. They always had white wall tyres, and they thought they were pretty cool, didn't they? Yeah, really, really good. We've got the 63 Studebaker Champ. I think there was a super treasure hunt in the Studebakers, was there? Quite a while ago now, I did come across a Studebaker, but it might have been like early last year. This one's pretty good. Not a treasure hunt, but does have a lot of good details, especially that front end there does look good. No license plate, unfortunately, on the back there, though. It looks like the bed's got like a hard cover on it as well. That's cool. What does it say on the back? Oh, it does say, it says Studebaker, Hot Wheels. Got some stripes on the side there. Very good looking casting. I don't particularly like these wheels though, guys. These are the most common wheels I see on mainline, so yeah, if I ever see those, they kind of put me off castings, but you know, you can swap wheels, you can swap tyres on your castings if you want to customise them. That might be a good place to start. Very, very cool. Do like this one. Let's keep going. Got a hot rod, another Batmobile. Another Mazda RX-3, do love that one. 52 Chevy, another Nissan Skyline. Oh, we've got that McLaren Solus GT in bright orange. Got some really good details on this thing. It looks like paint's been splattered all over the wheel arches. The blue one's good as well. I think the blue one looks more like lightning has hit it or something, but yeah, this is pretty damn good. It does, I believe this was a concept car that came from Gran Turismo, the game. McLaren actually tried making a concept car for the game. McLaren actually made this and brought it to real life, so yeah, pretty good. I think it's a single seater as well in there, so very unique casting, very good looking little car. But I do have that already, so let's keep going. Got a Humvee, 52 Chevy. Oh, the 15 years of Minecraft. And I just wanted to say, guys, that for the 15 years of Minecraft, they are doing a film with Jack Black and the guy who plays Aquaman and is in Game of Thrones as well, is going to be in the film. They were on the advert. Really, really cool. But yeah, I've got this already. I just wanted to mention that that film was coming out, and that's why it's part of the screen time set. So we're on the last peg now, guys. Let's see if we can get some last peg magic and find a really good casting. Let's cross our fingers and hope for a treasure hunt or a super, but we'll see. We've got a 72 Stingray convertible to start with from the factory fresh set. A little bit stuck on that. We've got a 68 Dodge Dart. Oh, my heart just dropped, guys. I thought that we did have some last peg magic then, but unfortunately not. It is the Audi 90 Quattro, but it's not the Super. Really, really cool. Love that casting. Let's keep going. We've got the Dragon Blaster, the Fiat 500e, another Hira Hatta Merc, a really good looking 57 Jeep FC in red, Ford Ranger Raptor with that HKS livery. Do love that one. And last and very least, it's the Rapid Pulse, which is a first response fantasy casting. Pretty cool. Well, we've been through all the pegs. Let's have a little look and see what we got, guys. Well, we found some really awesome castings in Home Bargain in Lee. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.